Welcome to Compare to Win. The best honey holder is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets out there, but trust me, it's a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of honey holders, exploring why you need one, and showcasing some of the top contenders on the market. Get ready to say goodbye to sticky messes and hello to perfectly drizzled honey every single time. Let's get started. Number 5. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, Gap Cleaning Tool. This SXhyf cleaning brush is made with durable plastic and alloy materials, ensuring it lasts. The non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, making cleaning easier. Designed with a narrow head, it easily reaches gaps and corners. This makes it perfect for removing dust and dirt in those hard-to-reach areas. It's a great gift for anyone who wants a cleaner home. This brush is perfect for cleaning windowsills, grout lines, sinks, and more. It's versatile enough for use in the bathroom, kitchen, and even the car. This cleaning tool makes your life easier and saves your hands. It provides leverage and durability for tough cleaning tasks, making your cleaning more comprehensive. The handle features a small hole for easy hanging and storage. This design helps save space, making it ideal for any home. What we like. This brush features hard bristles, perfect for tackling tough grime. It's designed to get into those hard-to-reach areas, making cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a tool to make your cleaning routine more efficient and effective, this is the one for you. What people say. The brush is very strong and works great at cleaning the refrigerator gasket around the door. The handle is nice and stiff, so you can really use it in tight spaces. The bristles are firm enough to really scrub deep into the crevices, but not so stiff that they damage surfaces. Number 4. SILVERSMITHS Crystal Honey Jar. This beautiful honey jar is designed by SILVERSMITHS. It features a unique beehive shape, perfect for storing your honey. The jar's design is inspired by a beehive, adding a touch of elegance to your table. It comes with a convenient dipper for easy use. Made from lead-free crystal, this honey jar is safe for everyday use. It measures approximately 5.25 inches in height and 4.5 inches in diameter. Goettinger has been crafting quality giftware since 1973. You can find their products at major retailers across the US and Canada. Whether it's a wedding or a simple gathering, this honey jar makes a great gift. It's a stylish and practical addition to any home. What we like. This honey jar boasts a beautiful crystal design and a unique beehive shape. It's an elegant addition to any table setting. If you like to add a touch of sophistication to your breakfast or tea time, this jar will be a perfect choice. What people say. Very well made. Very attractive. Much better than I thought it would be. It is heavy and made well. It would make a great gift. It is large and heavy, made of a type of clear brilliant glass called crystal. Number 3. Norpro Honey Syrup Dispenser. Tired of sticky honey bottles? This dispenser ensures you never waste a drop of honey or syrup again. It's designed for easy and mess-free use. The beehive shape is not only attractive but also incredibly easy to use. It adds a touch of elegance to your table setting. Fill the glass base with hot water to prevent crystallization. This keeps the honey or syrup fresh and soft, ready to serve. The handy trigger releases honey or syrup accurately. Simply push down on the lever to dispense and release to close, preventing drips. Featuring a chrome-plated lid and handle, and a durable glass body, this dispenser is both stylish and built to last. Serve your honey with style. What we like. This dispenser features an easy-to-use trigger for mess-free honey dispensing. Its beehive shape is both attractive and functional. If you are looking for a practical and stylish way to serve your honey or syrup, you should consider this. What people say. I like this design because if it does drip, at least there is a neat place to catch it. So far, it hasn't dripped. The honey dispenses easily. It's a perfect stream. It is truly a mess-free way to dispense honey. When I let the spout close after dispensing honey, I have not had any mess or drips. The bottom part is completely clean. Number 2. Honey Jar Pot Glass Holder Dispenser Set. Tired of sticky honey jars? This set is designed to make serving honey clean and easy. You can sweeten your tea, pancakes, or spread honey on your bread without any mess. Made with quality glass and acacia wood, this honey jar is a beautiful addition to any table. It's a wonderful piece of decor that will enhance your breakfast experience. The acacia lid with a small opening keeps your honey fresh. It also includes a dipper, so you can easily get honey without needing a spoon. You can also store your candy, sugar, or cookie here. This practical honey jar holds up to 14 ounces of honey. It's comparable in size to mason jars, with dimensions perfect for your needs. It's also packed in a box, making it a great gift. We prioritize our customers and offer a high-quality product and service. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a full refund. We are here to help you. What we like. This honey jar set is designed to keep your table clean and your honey easily accessible. It's made from quality glass and acacia wood, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. If you want a complete set with a dipper and lid, this is the perfect option. What people say. Works great and looks great. The size and design are perfect for storing honey. Cleans up well and love the paddle dipper spoon. Number 1. Hedume Honey Jar with Dipper and Lid. This charming set includes a glass honey container, a honey wand, and a bee-themed lid. It's everything you need to store and serve your honey. It's a perfect addition to any kitchen. The container is perfectly sized at 4 inches high and 3.8 inches in diameter. The dipper is 5.9 inches long, making it easy to reach every drop. It's designed for convenience. This honey pot keeps your honey fresh and easily accessible. The side opening holds the dipper, and the design adds a touch of sweetness. It's not airtight, ensuring easy access. Made from high borosilicate glass, this honey pot is non-toxic and tasteless. It's beautiful, transparent, and holds up to 17 ounces. You can trust it to keep your honey safe. Easily store your honey and syrup with this pot. Add honey to your drinks or bread without making a mess. It's a simple solution for everyday use. What we like. This honey pot features a charming beehive design and is made of high-quality glass. It's easy to use and keeps your honey fresh. If you are looking for a simple yet stylish way to store and serve your honey, this is a great choice. What people say. We both loved the design. Makes a cute and subtle addition for the kitchen, tea area. I like the glass jar since it's easy to clean with a moist towel or paper towel and helps to refill from the large Costco bottle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.